How to change Cash App business account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change Cash App business account or vice versa, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you want to switch from a personal to business account or whether you want to roll back from business account to personal account, either way the process is technically the same. So all you have to do is just go ahead and open the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, over here you'll find all these options over here, and then you basically want to go to business info. Now if you have a personal account, you'll find the option called switch to business account, but because I have a business account, I'll find the option called switch to personal account. Depending upon which you want to switch to, tap on switch button here, and then it'll ask me to confirm it. Tap on the contact support option. Now mind you that if you have switched to business account and you want to roll back to personal, you have to contact the support team. So in this case, you just have to tap on contact support, talk to a live agent, and they should be able to help you with it on switching back to a personal account from business account. This is how you can change the Cash App business account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.